Basically, let's quickly look at the ifs function, and so after that, this condition is greater than this condition, and I will lock it with my F4, and I say give me higher double quotes, double quotes. Then in the other way around, if this condition is also less than this condition, I lock it again with my F4, and I say give me a condition which is lower, right lower. Then if peradventure this is also equal to this, based on the data I have, I lock it with my F4, and I say please write for me same, and I hit enter, and I drag down, and I'm done. So the next thing I want to do is to look at the next sheet. Now I want to use I want to ensure that I do two things with these names. The first thing is to separate the first name from the surname. So I will do equals to, I would first write the first name Abiola, and the surname Ujurungbe, because I want it to follow a pattern. Then I'll write the next name again, which is Abiola, and I will write the last name Lagbaju. So immediately Excel understands this. All I have to do is to look at my flash view, and I click my flash view, it gives me everything. I come here also, and I hit my flash view, and it gives me everything. So the next thing I want to do, and I want to join these two names together. How do I do that? I use a text join. A text join does that for me, and I have my quotes, space quotes, comma, true, then comma, the first name, comma, and the last name, and I close my bracket, and I hit enter, and that's it. That is all for today. That is all for today. Thank you. That is all for today. Okay, so basically the if function